When I feel small, you hold my hand. You lead me through this quiet land. Green little hills, cool water near. You sit beside me and calm my fear. Shepherd of my heart, you watch me as I sleep. You sing over the dark, your love is wide and deep. I never walk alone, you're with me where I go. Shepherd of my heart, you always guide me home. When shadows fall and nights grow long, you whisper words, a gentle song. You set a place for me to stay. You fill my cup and chase bad dreams